Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about histology of lymph node. Connective tissue. A layer of connective tissue with venules and arterioles surrounds the lymph node capsule. A layer of connective tissue with venules and arterioles surrounds the lymph node capsule. It also contains afferent lymphatic vessel with valve. Capsule. Lymph node is covered by dense connective tissue capsule. Trabeculae. Trabeculae arises from inner surface of capsule and they extend into the substance of lymph node. They extend through cortex and medulla. Trabeculae is also dense connective tissue. It contains numerous trabecular blood vessels. Trabeculae arises from inner surface of capsule, extends into the substance of lymph node. It contains numerous trabecular blood vessels. Subcapsular sinus or marginal sinus. Cortex is separated from capsule by subcapsular sinus. Subcapsular sinus is present just beneath the capsule. It receives lymph from afferent lymphatic vessel. Subcapsular sinus is continuous with trabecular sinus. Trabecular sinuses. They are present adjacent to trabeculae. Trabecular sinus is present adjacent to trabeculae. They connect subcapsular sinus with medullary sinuses. Parenchyma of lymph node shows cortex and medulla. Outer darkly stained cortex and inner lightly stained medulla. You can see outer darkly stained cortex and inner lightly stained medulla. Cortex, it is darkly stained outer part of the parenchyma. It consists of superficial nodular cortex and deep cortex or paracortex. Superficial nodular cortex, it consists of numerous lymphatic nodules. Lymphatic nodule has central lightly stained area and outer darkly stained area. Central lightly stained area is called germinal center. Outer darkly stained area is called corona or mantle zone. Mantle zone consists of small lymphocytes. Small lymphocytes contain darkly stained nucleus with little or no cytoplasm. Small lymphocytes are also present in subcapsular sinus and trabecular sinus. Germinal center consists of medium-sized lymphocytes and a small number of lymphoblasts. Medium-sized lymphocytes are characterized by larger, lighter nuclei and more cytoplasm than seen in small lymphocytes. Deep cortex or paracortex. Paracortex, it lies between nodular cortex and medulla. It mainly consists of T lymphocytes. Hence, it is also called thymus dependent cortex. It is transition area from lymphatic nodules to medullary cords. Medulla, it is inner lightly stained part of the parenchyma. It consists of medullary cords and medullary sinuses. Medullary cords, these are anastomotic cords of lymphocytes, macrophages and plasma cells. Medullary sinuses, these are spaces that separate adjacent medullary cords. They converge at the hilum and form efferent lymphatic vessels. Medullary cords mainly consist of B cells. Reticular tissue, it forms supporting meshwork. Fine reticular tissue provides main structural support for the lymph node. Let us now revise lymph node histology. A layer of connective tissue with venules and arterioles surrounds the lymph node capsule. It also contains afferent lymphatic vessel with valve. Lymph node is surrounded by dense connective tissue capsule. From the inner surface of the capsule, trabeculae arises. Trabeculae extend into the substance of the lymph node. Subcapsular sinus separates the cortex from the capsule. It is present just beneath the capsule. It is continuous with trabecular sinus. It receives lymph from afferent lymphatic vessel. Trabecular sinuses, they are present adjacent to trabeculae. They connect subcapsular sinus with medullary sinuses. Parenchyma of the lymph node shows outer darkly stained cortex and inner lightly stained medulla. Cortex consists of superficial nodular cortex, which consists of numerous lymphatic nodules. Deep cortex or paracortex, it lies between nodular cortex and medulla. It is transition area from lymphatic nodules to medullary cords. Medulla, it is inner lightly stained part of the parenchyma. It consists of medullary cords and medullary sinuses. Medullary cords, these are anastomotic cords of lymphocytes, plasma cells and macrophages. Medullary sinuses, these are spaces that separate adjacent medullary cords. They receive lymph from trabecular sinuses and drain it into efferent lymphatic vessel.